name is Shelami Navales. Welcome to my vlog.
How many people are in your family?
5 only.
Do you have a brother and sister?
Yes.
How old are they? Start.
11 months.
Do you get along with your brothers and sister?
Yes.
How many grandparents do you have?
2.
Do you see them often?
Yes.
How old are your parents?
My mother is 30. My father is 32.
Do you have any cousin?
Yes.
How often do you see them?
Yes.
How many auntie and uncle do you have?
My 5 auntie, uncle is 4. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.